yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to Shifting Gears. And in today's video, as you can see, we've got a Cupra and we're doing a feature on the car, a little review. We're going to talk to the owner, get to know the car a bit more, the power, what modifications have been done to it. So yeah, make sure you stick around for this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So previously on the channel we had a Stage 1 ST. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you click up here and have a look at that. But I'm going to hand it over to the owner now. I'm going to speak to Sam a bit more about the car, what modifications have been done. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
So yes, Sam, thank you for coming down on the channel. You got your beautiful Ibiza Cupra, as we can see. Just wanted to let us know a little bit about the car, what you've done to it and whatnot.
Not a lot at the moment, just I've got a air filter, carbon fibre intake from Forge Motorsport and a straight pipe exhaust. That's pretty much it, all I've done to it so far. So
still like pretty standard.
Yeah,
they're really nice. As I said, these cars ain't really common, innit? You don't really see much Ibiza Cupras, Ibiza Bocangera, but yeah, really nice. Like as I said, you don't really see much of these around. But as you guys can see, outside aesthetically, like it just looks really nice and clean. But what we'll do, we'll jump in with Sam. Sam will obviously take us for a little drive, show us a bit more about his car, and yeah. Sam now inside his lovely Ibiza Cupra. Obviously this is actually our first time in an Ibiza Cupra. Obviously, as you guys know, we've got the ST and the VXR on our channel. So yeah, it is a little bit different. Obviously it's a DSG gearbox, 1.4 isn't it, Sam?
Yeah.
1.4, yeah. And as I said, it's got like really nice DSG farts on it. What have you done with your exhaust system? Is it
just both boxes out?
Okay, it's still decat and non-resonated, isn't it?
No, just the back box out and the res out, and the cat is still the same.
Oh, okay, that's what kind of gives it the DSG fart sounds, isn't it? Yeah, it sounds really good, but it's got a limiter, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So there's only like a certain amount where you can rev it up to. But yeah, we're going to get on some roads, obviously show you guys a little pull with it. And yeah, as I said, it's a really nice car, really clean. DSG as well, so obviously a little bit different from our 6-speed manual gearbox cars. But yeah, we're going to get some straight roads and show you guys exactly what this car's about. Tell them a little bit about yourself, Sam. How old are you, bro? And
19.
What's it like on your insurance, bro?
It's not too bad, it's about £2 a year.
£2, yeah. That's not too bad, though, isn't it?
Not something like this.
Yeah. Exactly, as you said, this is your second car, isn't it?
Yeah.
So your first car was a Corsa as well, Yeah, exactly the same as me and Siraj's. Obviously, we both had a Corsa as well for our first car. And obviously, as I said, third car, that was my ST, wasn't obviously Siraj's, it was his second car. So yeah, insurance is about right for your age, bro. Because I paid 1,700 on my first year on the ST. Yeah. And obviously second year I paid, obviously now 1,400, so it's not bad. Obviously, as you guys know, the power is completely stock, it's not being mapped or anything. Obviously we just got the decat and non-resonated exhaust system. What's it like on your fuel, Sam?
It gets about 50 miles to gallon when you're on drive.
Okay.
And you're just tootling around, and then on it you get about 40.
It's not bad.
So it's quite good, really.
Not bad, yeah. Full tank on my car usually. I'll usually do fill about £40 in a week. It depends how I'm driving it though.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? What do you fill it with? Tesco or V-Power?
Tesco Momentum.
Momentum, yeah, same as us, yeah. I don't really rate V-Power that much, to be honest.
No, apparently Tesco's better. Everyone says that.
Yeah, it's got more octane in it.
Yeah.
So yeah, as I said, as you guys know, this car is stock. 180 brake, isn't it, bro?
Yeah, 180.
180 brake. Yeah. What are your future plans with the car? What do you plan to do with it in a couple of years?
I want to do loads of cosmetic bits like low line kits and spoiler extensions and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I've thought about mapping it, but I don't know yet. And that's pretty much it really. A different set of wheels probably, because these ones aren't my favourite wheel I've ever had. So
yeah. I mean, they look good though. I think they look really good.
They do look alright, like, you know, the shiny black, but
yeah,
there are nice wheels out there that suit this car better. So
what would you take it, stage 1 or stage 2? What do you think?
I'd sit at stage 1 and then see how I feel.
Probably think about stage 2, innit? Yeah. They roughly make about stage 2. They make more than the SDs and VXRs, I'm sure.
Yeah.
These make about 260, don't they?
I think stage 2 is 280.
280. Yeah.
Stage 1 is 220.
Yeah. So which is obviously more than the VXR and SD make on stage 2. I'm sure you'd probably have a bit more torque as well, wouldn't you?
Possibly, yeah.
But as you guys can hear, it sounds really nice, the exhaust. It's got some really nice DSG spots. It's going to go under a tunnel, and obviously you guys were here. The car speaks for itself, it's really nice. That sounds sick, that does. These cars are less common in our area as well.
Yeah.
You don't really obviously you do see a few Cupras, but you don't actually see this specific model.
Yeah, Bocangeras are quite rare now.
Yeah. You don't really see them a lot. How much did you pick this up for?
8.5.
8.5. Yeah, that's not bad. That is. It's a good price. That is. What's the mileage on?
66,000 now.
66.
I bought it on 63.
Okay.
I've had it about 4 months, so 3,000 miles.
Yeah, that's a good price. That is. As I said, it's like obviously a lot of you see more STs and VXRs. Obviously, you got the Polo GTRs, but one of these is a bit more. It's a bit more different, isn't it? As I said, not
a bit more out there. Not everyone's got one.
Yeah, exactly. So I think makes it more special than if it's not one of them cars that you see everywhere. ST only goes up to 6.5.
Yeah, well, you can put it in sport mode and it will just redline itself.
Oh, so this is not in sport mode, isn't it?
I put it in manual.
Oh, okay. So you can have got the flat
because on the sport mode it just wants to rev itself off so hard, and I just don't like that. So I just safely change it like 5.5.
Yeah.
Just to keep it like from going bang.
Oh, 1.4, man, it fucking gets off.
Yeah.
It's quick, that is.
It's more quicker down low than it is up high, but if you go from standstill to 90, 90 is quick, and then after that it does drop off a little bit.
It's kind of the same with the SD, because mine's stock, isn't it?
Yeah.
So obviously, you know, when I'm past 110, 20, it kind of runs out of steam a little bit.
It is, for me, down there where we could go, but it's a bit shit. Down there, she hit 140, didn't you, Lottie?
Yeah.
In the RST, and it was still wanting to go as well.
It's nice now, it's not like...
Because in my Corsa, that was just, it was all or nothing. Like, if you were on it, it was fucking loud. And even if you're going slow, it was loud. So this is like bliss, really.
It's just perfect, isn't it?
We've been on road trips in this, haven't we, Lottie? Yeah. And we've been like Wales and stuff, and it just, you can't even hear it.
Yeah.
So
I think it's nice, isn't it? As I said, you don't always want your car to be too loud.
No.
You know what I mean?
Obviously, the best thing for that is a valved exhaust, isn't it? But that's a lot of money for doing one of them. So.
Yeah, it is. I bet you surprised a lot of cars in this, though, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
If you won't get this on your camera, boys.
Fucking hell, Lamborghini. Yeah, but for 1.4, this is bracket.
Yeah, it surprised me.
You gotta think, man, it's a small engine, man.
Yeah.
1.4, bro.
The car weighs less than a ton, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's like
keeping up with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it goes like fuck.
Even the remapping gains that you get out of it, it's still a lot for a 1.4 engine. You know what I mean? It's impressive. That in fourth then?
That was in fourth, then it went up to fifth.
Oh, so you put it in sport mode, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. 7-speed gearbox, as this is, I forgot to mention, guys, it's a 7-speed DSG gearbox, which is obviously really nice. Really quick though. Gets off. manual mode now.
Yeah.
So you're changing the gears yourself.
Yeah. I hate the sports mode because I always bank it over to manual because sports just revs it out, and it's just like doesn't need to be revved that high for go fast like. So
yeah. Sounds good though, man.
Yeah.
Really good. This sounds.
I was happy with it when I had it done.
And the DSG part to make it more fun.
Yeah. I mean, just then they sounded quiet, but usually if I slow down a bit, go second.
It's like country roads, isn't it?
Yeah. But when it's in manual now, like obviously I can put my foot down and it's instant. But if you put it in drive and do that, it doesn't want to do that because it just wants to be the lazy automatic.
Oh, okay, yeah,
So,
like kind of sluggish.
Like when I do that, you won't do that in drive because it just wants to be lazy.
Oh, so you got it in manual mode, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it only does that in manual mode?
Well, it'll do it in sport as well, but if you put it in just drive, so normal automatic now, if I put my foot down,
yeah, you can hear the difference.
it doesn't want to do the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's a very...
It's kind of like sluggish, isn't it?
Yeah,
compared
it's
to that?
two different cars.
Yeah.
It's got a button underneath the accelerator. If you press that button, it goes nuts. I've never pressed it, so I don't know. Because the Golf R's have got the same button, and our friend's got a Golf R, and this is 400 brake stage 2. And he gave me a go, and he says, when you hit the accelerator, when you think you're at the end, press it and you'll touch your button and it'll go mad, and it did.
Oh.
And this has got the exact same thing.
Once this gets going, it's off.
Yeah, it doesn't stop. Best bit about the SG because you don't lose boost, it just keeps going.
Yeah. The thing with the ST is you gotta it's obviously past 3k, innit? You got an overboost function, innit?
Yeah.
197 brake, but the boost isn't straight away. With this, like
it's
downshift, it's just there straight away.
When you're in manual, it's fine, but when you're not, it's no good.
Yeah. It gets going though, this does.
It is quick.
And as I said, it's one of them cars that you don't really see around a lot.
Yeah, well that's why I had it, because
it's kind of less common.
If you go on Auto Trader, I go on it weekly most of the time, and there's only 4 of these on there for sale a week.
Yeah, I
you
was
look at like a VXR or an ST.
Loads on there.
Loads. So.
Yeah. I mean that's what makes it more special.
Nothing against them,
as I said,
they're just
of course,
beast cars on their own, but like when there's not many being sold.
As I said, it makes it more special, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of more unique, as I said. I agree with you though, because obviously I went on Auto Trader myself and I had a look. Not a lot, you know. Yeah. Not really a lot of these around.
More
the ones that are, some of them are really overpriced.
They're
as well.
high mileage, just look shit. Or because when this was for sale, there was this one, a few yellow ones, a white one, and the rest of them looked crap. But this one stood out, so I had this one.
Yeah. You've got a private plate as well, don't it?
It came with a private plate.
Did it?
Yeah.
Sick plate that is, Halbach.
I didn't know whether to take it off at first, but I don't know whether to keep it on.
I think it looks good,
Because I have got my own private plate like that.
It's a good plate. But yeah guys, that was it for the Ibiza Cupra video. As I said, it's a really nice car, something that's less common and something that you don't see around as much. Big thank you to Sam as well for letting us review his car. As I said, top guy. We'll leave his social media, we'll leave his Instagram here, little banner. Make sure you guys go check him out, give his page a follow. Yeah, he's a top guy, man. Big thank you and big shout out to him. But yeah guys, if you want your cars reviewed as well, let us know. Make sure you hit us up. As I said, this is the second car we've done. If you guys check out the video before this, we did the stage 1 Fiesta ST. And as I said, let us know. We can come down to you or you can come down to us, whichever suits you guys. Let us know. So make sure you subscribe, comment, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. See you guys.